Load your family into the 2019 Toyota Sequoia. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power liftgate, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 15 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.